In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert social media icons into your Microsoft Word document. This is a simple way to make your documents more engaging and professional, especially if you're creating a resume, presentation, or any document where you want to highlight your social media presence. Let's get started by opening the Microsoft Word file where you want to insert these icons. Once your document is ready, we'll begin our search for the perfect social media logos. This part is really easy and straightforward. Simply open up Google Chrome or whichever web browser you prefer to use. In the search bar, type in social media logos and hit enter. You should see a variety of images appearing on your screen. Choose the icons that best fit the style and tone of your document. You might want to think about the color scheme and the overall aesthetic you're going for. After you've found an icon that you like, it's time to add it to your Word document. Right-click on the image of the icon and select the option that says Copy Image. Head back over to your Microsoft Word window. Click where you want the icon to appear and press Ctrl+V, or you can right-click and select Paste. If the icon isn't quite the right size, don't worry, you can easily adjust it. Click on the image to highlight it, then use the handles at the corners to drag and resize the icon until it fits perfectly within your layout. While resizing, make sure the aspect ratio remains consistent so your icon doesn't look stretched or distorted. Now you have your social media icon nicely placed in your document. If you need to move it around, just click and drag it to the perfect spot. Repeat these steps for any additional social media logos you'd like to include. And just like that, we're done. Using these easy steps, you've added a polished and personal touch to your Microsoft Word document with social media icons. It's an effective way to showcase your digital contact information and make your document stand out. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps you enhance your documents. Feel free to experiment with different icons and placements until you have a layout that looks just right to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.